Harry, do you want Silver to massage you? What are you guys doing? Oh my gosh. Yeah. What? What do y'all want? It's a cat's life around here. Silver? What do you think of these birds? I mean cats. Well, you're still here and you hadn't gotten eaten, so that's a good sign. Alright, Houdini? Oh, what's going on here? Oh, Regis is reclaiming his space. Kiss, kiss. Aw, how sweet. Go ahead and massage Houdini. Those boys love your claws on their tummy. Well, that's one way to get around, huh, Silver? Well, let's go. Here. There. Now, don't that feel good? What y'all want? Y'all need to be adopted. I don't belong on this porch. In fact, you were a feral, and Harry was a feral before you got sick. You should be outside with Gray Boy. He's underneath that car. Alright, so that's the story of our birds and cats. Sticking to it.